ePayPolicy integrates with Jetfile to make your payment processing seamless. It's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. Your clients will be able to pay either through your branded payment page or through the Jetfile portal. If they choose to go through the payment page, they will enter their information to access their open invoices. Then they'll select which invoices they want to pay, make partial payments if needed, and choose either credit card or ACH. If they pay through the portal, the client will select the policy they want to pay and input the amount. Then they will click Pay Now to be directed to a payment screen where they can choose a payment method and fill out the payment information. After the client pays, the online portal records the payment, and both you and the payer will receive an e-receipt. You'll also be able to track these payments within the ePayPolicy dashboard. As you can see, the integration really does streamline your receivables. Trust me, your accounting team will love this. Contact us to learn more about the Jetfile integration today.